Welcome, question 25 of WASSCE Further Mathematics 2025 for Nigerian. The distance s in meters covered by a particle in t seconds is given by s equals to 7 on 2t squared plus 5t plus 18. We have to find the acceleration of the particle. So to find the acceleration, we know the acceleration is what? The velocity over time. That is change in velocity with respect to time. But we don't have velocity given unto us, so we need to know what the velocity is. The velocity is also what? The change in distance over what? Time taken. So it means that the differentiation of a distance with respect to time give us the velocity. So let's see if this is your distance, which is 7 on 2t squared plus 5t plus 18. If I find the s, the t, that is the velocity, and the velocity, as I have written it first before this, will be equals to, if we differentiate this, the 2 is coming down to multiply, so 14 over 2, that will still be 7. Subtract 1 from the power, t will be there. This is 1 as a power, multiplying this plus 5, 0, this will become 0. So this is the velocity, which is going to be in meter per what? Seconds. Now, in order to find the acceleration, which will be equals to the differentiation of this, which is more or less the second derivative or the differentiation of v with respect to what? T. I could have bring this one first before this, but this is our concern, the acceleration. So if you differentiate v with respect to what? T, this is what you're going to have. This will become 1 multiplying 7. That will give you what? 7. So therefore, you can say that acceleration is going to be 7 meter per what? Second square. So second derivative of a distance will give you what? Acceleration. And this will be the option what? D on the question paper. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for question 26.